Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, November 5th, 2024, and we are going up with QQQ. H pattern, close enough move and average bounce. H pattern, slingshot. H pattern, close enough move and average bounce. Slingshot. H pattern, Fibonacci, slingshot.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains, and we're going to see if this price can get up to the 491.50 area. If we can't get past this 491.25-ish area, we might pull our profits, because the last time we ran up to this area, we got rejected, so we don't want to stick around too long. So we want to see speed and violence. If we don't see that, we'll just take our dollar and run for the hills. All right, it seems like we're struggling, so we're gonna pull our profits right.
Order filled.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.
Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, November 5th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, H pattern. H pattern, move and average bounce. H pattern, slingshot. H pattern, move and average bounce, Fibonacci, slingshot.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in half of our gains, and we're going to play this bar by bar moving forward. All right, so we impulsed up, and if this is going to be a true C retrace, let me turn that down, copy it. We should see the price explode past the high of the day. If it doesn't explode past the high of the day, we might actually have a retrace roughly around the 491 and a quarter area. So at that point, it would need to borrow power off the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart and get closer to the 492 area when it explodes past the high of the day. So those are the two possibilities. So if it explodes past the high of the day right now, we'll start to lock in more gains. If it fails and it actually pulls back roughly around that 491 area, that might be a stronghold, the 491 and a quarter area. So I expect to bounce off of the 21 moving average. So let's see what happens, and we're going to play this bar by bar.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in half of our gains, and as always, we're going to play this bar by bar. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the price cleared the high of the day. So it's retracing. So if it stays within the 491.25, 491.50 area, we'll have enough power to bounce off the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart, and or we might even bounce off the 21 moving average on our 2 minute chart. So again, we haven't had that full retrace come into existence yet. So we're going to sit there and wait until after the retrace to move our stop on this play. If we hold on the 21 moving average, we might actually scale back in, but again, anything below that line is going to be a discount area that major players are going to participate in, and then once they push it past that area again, that's where most people, the second chance people and the third chance people, they'll look to get in. I expect this to pull back deeper and then, possibly getting into a better discount area, but in my opinion, looking at what I'm seeing on the charts, this is going to probably drop down a little bit farther, and if we can catch it, we we might catch a continuation back up to the 492, if not the 492.25 area, where I would expect it to fail at that point. If this price holds the 491.25, we're going to get in right about...
Order filled.
All right, so we're going back up with the market. Once this price jumps the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart, we'll come back and we'll mark up everything and the reasons why we scaled into this going back up with the market. Oscillator agreement, slingshot. We had a reverse H, close enough moving average bounce on our 1 minute. We had our reverse H, we went up, we came down, bouncing off the moving average. We expected to launch back up, and as you can see, we are in a, hold on one second, minor retracement area, close enough moving average bounce, and a lightning to the upside. So we cleared everything to the left, we're taking a pause, and I expect it to go back up again. All right, so we entered at 491.28. So if this goes the full dollar, we're gonna punch out. We have a meeting here in less than 5 minutes, so we don't wanna be late for it. So once it gets up to that $1 marker from our scale-in entry, we'll close out all positions at that point.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
Order filled.
And there's a $1 move on that run, ladies and gentlemen. So our first trade, we took $1. The second trade, we took $2.50. In this scale in, we took $1 off of this one. So we're up $4.50 for the day. As always, never forget, be a pro.